guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how I prep my hair for a protective style installation. Plus, if you know you are interested in videos like this, hair care tip, routines and many more, make sure to join the family by hitting that lovely subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. And now without further ado, let's get right into this video. Before I install a protective style, there are things I put in place. I make sure my hair is ready for it. Like I always say in my videos, protective styling has been my major hack to hair growth. Like, my secret to hair growth is actually protective styling. Plus, I usually leave my protective style in for a long period. The longest I've gone is actually 5 months. You can check out my videos on my protective styles takedown process and how I refresh my protective styles if you are interested. So for me, a protective style, it's a journey. Like, it's a journey my hair is embarking on, so I have to adequately prepare my hair for that journey, and that's why I don't joke with the period before I install my protective style. And I'm probably going to film how I prepare my hair for the protective style installation, so make sure to subscribe so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload that video. So what I basically do before installing a protective style is I make sure I wash my hair. Like, my scalp has to be clean. I make sure I wash my hair. I make sure I deep condition my hair with both a protein conditioner and a moisturizing conditioner to make sure that my hair is in the right balance for this journey, for this protective style journey. So after the wash routine, I make sure I air dry my hair. I usually don't use heat on my hair before installation of a protective style, so I make sure I air dry my hair, after which I moisturize and seal my hair, because you have to make sure your hair is properly moisturized for a protective style. Me personally, I don't moisturize my hair well in a protective style, even if it's for a long period of time. Like, especially when I'm in a sew-in, I don't moisturize my protective style at all. I only moisturize when I'm about to take down the protective style. After removing the sew-in and before taking down the box braid, that's when I moisturize my hair, when I'm in a sew-in protective style. But when I'm on box braids, I usually moisturize my hair, but only when I feel my hair needs it, and this could be like just once in a month. So I usually don't moisturize my hair that much. So that's why I make sure that before I install a protective style, I make sure I give my hair maximum moisture, and that's why I don't joke with the deep conditioning process. For the deep conditioning process, I leave my deep conditioner in for as long as 1 hour. Then when I moisturize and seal my hair, I make sure I apply adequate products. And all the products I actually use for this process, I talked about them in another video, so I'll leave the link down to that video in the description box so you can check it out if you are interested. That's basically all what I do before I install the protective style. I wash my hair, I deep condition my hair, and I moisturize and seal my hair. I don't really do much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.